So good day everyone. As you can see, so in this tutorial I'm going to take you guys on how to design a clothing brand flyer using AI. So this is what we do now. Okay, you have to know the person's company's name, the company name, the email address, that is the contact info. Okay, if you have the location, you can just write down a location. Let's put down a location. Let's just use New York. This is just an example. Nothing is there. United States of America. Okay. So now, what you're going to do now, you're going to copy this thing now. Click on copy. Okay. Just mark it and click on copy. Then we are going to use ChatGPT. Everybody know about ChatGPT, so that's the app you are going to use. Now you are going to, this is the first thing you are going to write. I want you to follow up these strategies very well. I want you to add like a professional graphic designer. So just follow up graphic designer. I want you to design a very beautiful flyer for this brand, the brand is about clothing brand using the above provided information. Okay, so you are going to now paste it here, company name, all those things. Then I want you to add some pictures of clothes, and make the design look professional. Then we are going to send it now. Let's wait for the image to create. Let's see what we got. Say please upload the clothes photos like features on the flyers. Okay, let me just say, he said that you should upload the photos. Let me just say use any picture of clothes and design it. So now it's creating the image. Okay, So we are going to wait, let the image finish creating up, just within some minutes. Hi. This is one of the simplest app I have ever seen. So once you just get the app, everything will be easy for you. The image is going to be created very soon. So when you are going to start the charts, just write something like, I want you to act like a professional graphic design. I want you to act like a professional writer. Something like that. Just I want you to act like a, so it's gonna know the type of things. So this is what we get now. As you can see, this is amazing. Like no one even know, like no one even believe that this is made with AI. So simple, everything just, oh my goodness. As you can see now, this thing is so beautiful. So for you to download the image, click on the arrow here, then it will automatically save to your file. Okay, so that is it. The thing is so simple, like so amazing. So I want you, when you are going to design your own, okay, I'm going to give you guys an assignment. When you are going to design your own, I want it to be more beautiful, like to be more greater than my own. Okay, so I will give you guys, you can use any topic, like any brand, any clothing brand of your choice to design it. So that is it. Thank you for watching the video. Make sure you give a like. If you find it helpful, you give a like. This is just the beginning of the class, so I want you to follow to the end. Give a like to this video, share it to your friends, and comment. Love you guys. Bye.